Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the pump? If you're a Walmart Plus member, listen up, because I'm about to show you how to unlock some serious gas savings. This is a simple way to save money, so grab your keys and follow along. First, open your Walmart Plus app on the home screen. You'll see a button labeled Find Gas. It may also say gas or fuel. Depending on the version, go ahead and tap that. The app will then use your location to display a map of nearby gas stations that offer the Walmart Plus discount. These stations are typically Exxon, Mobil, and Murphy gas stations, but always confirm within the app. Look for the gas station icons on the map. You should see the discounted price displayed directly on the icon. This is the price you will pay with your Walmart Plus discount. Once you've chosen a gas station, drive over and get ready to pump at the pump. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll typically need to select your fuel grade first. Now, look for an option on the pump screen to redeem your Walmart Plus discount. It might be labeled Walmart Plus, Member Discount, or something similar. Select this option. A QR code will appear on the pump screen. Reopen your Walmart Plus app from your phone and select the option to scan the QR code. Typically, this can be found on the bottom of the screen of the Walmart Plus app. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera. The pump will then authorize the discount, and you can start pumping your gas. Enjoy your savings. It usually only allows you to discount up to 20 gallons of gas. And that's it. Now you are ready to save money. Let me know in the comments below if this helps you save. Subscribe for more money saving videos.